Hydra and Farana crane operator. In this presentation, we will explore the key aspects of operating Hydra and Farana cranes, from understanding load charts to identifying site hazards. You'll gain the knowledge and skills to safely and effectively manage these powerful machines on the job site. Course Overview 1. Comprehensive Program. Participants will learn about crane safety, operation techniques, maintenance, and relevant regulations, equipping them for roles in construction and manufacturing. 2. Target Audience. Individuals who want to become crane operators in construction, manufacturing, and related industries should enroll in the Hydra and Farana crane operator course. 3. Accreditations. Training conducted in accordance with OSHA 1926.1427 guidelines. Hydra and Farana crane systems. Hydra cranes. Hydra cranes are known for their hydraulic operation, providing precise control and high lifting capacities. These cranes excel at a variety of construction and industrial applications. Farana cranes. Farana cranes utilize an innovative counterweight design, allowing for unparalleled reach and load handling capabilities. They are commonly used for large-scale projects and specialty lifts. Hydra load charts. Understand load limits. Thoroughly review the load chart to determine the maximum safe working load for a given crane configuration and operating radius. Factor in attachments. Account for the weight of any attachments, such as jibs or hook blocks, when calculating the total load being lifted. Monitor dynamics. Continuously monitor the load, crane angle, and other factors to ensure safe operation within the chart's parameters. Reeving and line pull. Identify reeving. Determine the appropriate reeving configuration based on the load, crane capacity, and job requirements. Calculate line pull. Compute the necessary line pull to safely lift the load, taking into account the reeving system and crane specifications. Monitor tension. Continuously monitor the line pull and make adjustments as needed to maintain safe and efficient operation. Evaluating ground and soil stability. Site inspection. Thoroughly inspect the job site to identify any potential ground or soil stability issues that could affect crane setup and operation. Load distribution. Ensure the crane's outriggers or tracks are positioned to distribute the load evenly and maintain stability on the ground. Contingency planning. Develop a plan to address any ground or soil instability issues, including the use of mats, cribbing, or other stabilization methods. Use of jibs and extensions. Increased reach. Jibs and extensions allow the crane to access areas that would otherwise be out of reach, expanding the job site coverage. Angle adjustment. The angle of the jib can be adjusted to optimize the crane's lifting capacity and reach for different job requirements. Proper installation. Carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions for the safe and proper installation of jibs and extensions. Wire rope types and inspection. Wire rope types. Understand the different wire rope constructions and their suitability for various crane applications. Inspection process. Develop a routine wire rope inspection program to identify any wear, damage, or defects that could compromise safety. Replacement criteria. Establish clear guidelines for when wire ropes should be replaced to maintain safe crane operation. Site hazard identification and inspection. Overhead hazards. Identify potential overhead obstacles, such as power lines, trees, or buildings, that could interfere with crane operation. Ground stability. Assess the ground conditions and ensure the crane is properly supported and stabilized. Environmental factors. Monitor weather conditions, wind, and other environmental factors that could impact crane safety and operation. Course curriculum. Hydra operational characteristics. Frequent and periodic inspections. How to read and apply Hydra load charts. Reeving and line pull evaluating ground and soil stability, use of jibs and extensions. Evaluation of a safe workplace. Wire rope types and inspection. Rigging practice and safety. Driving/moving with the load. Understanding overall center of gravity once load is lifted. Site hazard identification and inspection. On-site equipment movement, hazards such as unleveled ground, power lines, etc.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.